Alright, fellow riders, Angry Scottish Biker here. So, facing the cold weather, I come out to do some work on the motorcycle. I've got some electrics to finish off. I've got accent lighting to hook into the electrics, under tank, under rear fairing, and the belly pan. So I thought this was an opportunity to do a quick video on electrics. I've also got my heated grips to hook in as well. Now I have seen on Facebook forums or the groups guys asking about heated grips or other accessories, USB accessories, the USB charging sockets and such. How do I hook these in? I don't want my battery going dead. What's the best way? Because a lot of them are designed to just come along and the spades just go under the nut on the battery, which is alright if you remember to turn your grips off. If you've got a decent set of grips, they'll turn off automatically when you've stopped riding anyway. But if you're a cheapskate and you get ones off your eBay, or you've maybe got a USB and you've got a battery bank plugged onto the seat, you might forget and you come back to a dead battery, and that's not what any of us want, because that's a pain in the ass. You either need to get a jump start or we need to bump start the bike. And yeah, I've seen some people attempt to bump start a motorcycle. It's not pretty, right? So the best way to hook any accessories up is to get it wired into a switched live, which means when you turn your ignition on and off, the power is disconnected from the accessories. Now the quickest way to find where a switched live is to find the fuse box. This is the FZ 600, or the Phaser 600 as it's more commonly known as. Fuse box. If we come down here, take this out. You see this heavy wire, right? This is your switched. This is switched live. Fuse is in here, power comes back out here, and it goes to where it needs to go to. Lights and all the rest. Now if you're hooking in any accessories, oh, excuse me, you want to hook into this line here. As we'll see. So it's currently 0 volts. Where's my note? Helps to have that in place. And yeah, the background's round the wrong way, it doesn't matter. It's not going to do any harm to my meter. Right. Turn that on. As you can see, 11.74 volts. Turn it back off, 0 volts. So that's it. Okay. This is where you have a fight with the wires. Let's just bring this round. So as you can see, you've got a common rail here, and this is a common positive rail. And that goes to your fuses, and then your fuse, and then the line goes to whatever accessory or item you're wanting to power. This one here is actually a backup. This is separate from the rest, because this goes to the clocks. This keeps your time in that. So if anything needs to be kept on, that's your best place right there. So you take your fused wire, the wire with a fuse on it from your accessory, right? And you're going to connect it to this bus bar, whatever method, or you can splice into this wire here, wire out through your fuse to your accessory, heated grips, lights, whatever, and then your negative wire back to the battery's negative terminal, or you can bring it back to the chassis. a vehicle's chassis is connected to the battery, so technically the whole frame is ground. Yeah, it all goes back to the battery, so you can connect in anywhere, really. But that's entirely up to you. You can save yourself a lot of time, really. But if you're taking your tank off in that year as well, just run your wires back, and you know you're safe. Right, anyway guys, so I've got to go on with this. It's getting freezing, my feet are getting numb, and it's going to start getting dark soon and all, so it's going to get colder. But, guys, ride safe, ride smart, and I'll catch you next time.